Hey Mecca video.
Thanks guys.
Hey guys, I'm Jin.
And I'm Amy, and today we're going to be showing you how to colour match your foundation.
Let's do it.
So this is the most frequently asked question I get in store, and it's all about how to find your perfect match. So there's 3 key elements that we want to work through, and it's your skin type, what coverage you're looking for, and then what finish you would like for the foundation. So first step is all about skin type. So Jin, tell me about your skin.
I'd say it's pretty normal. Sometimes I get a little bit oily in the T-zone, but there's never any dryness, so normal.
All right, perfect. So we've got lots of different options, so we can move on to the next step, which is coverage. So what kind of coverage are you looking for today?
Normally during the day I opt for something with a bit more sheer coverage, but I'm heading out tonight, so I'm after something a bit more full coverage.
Amazing, so I've got some options for you here. We've got the NARS Sheer Glow, Urban Decay All Nighter, and the Born This Way from Too Faced. We've got a couple of different finishes for you to choose from now. So we've got something with a little bit more of a glow, something with more of a matte finish, or that in-between natural satin.
Oh, in between natural satin sounds good.
Right, perfect. So that would be the Too Faced Born This Way for you today. So I think that'll be a really good match. So now we can move on to colour matching.
All right, let's get started.
So looking at Jin, I can see she's got light to medium skin with warm undertones. I've picked 3 shades from the range that I think will really suit Jin. So now we're gonna play the elimination game. All right, so we've got light, medium shade, and the third darker shade.
Cool.
We're gonna do 3 swatches on Jin's cheek from lightest to darkest, and then we're gonna find our winner. So straight away we can see that this back one's too dark for you right now, so let's get rid of that one straight away. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. They're quite similar in shade, so I'm gonna leave the tough decision up to you. Which one do you prefer?
Well, I think this one is a bit warmer and it looks more like my skin tone. This one here has got a bit of a pink through it, so maybe we'll get rid of this one.
All right, great, let's take it away. So it looks like we have a winner here, and her shade is light beige. So let's just double check by blending it out. Okay, so I've blended out that final shade that we've had a look at. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, I love the colour and the coverage is awesome. I think you nailed it.
Right, perfect, so let's put it all over. So now for a little bit of concealer. We're gonna pop a little bit of powder all over just to set it down and keep it in place all day for you. And now a little bit of bronzer just to warm up the cheeks. And Jin's all done. We found her perfect match today. You can find yours too. You can use these steps to find your own perfect colour, or you can come into any Mecca store and we'll be able to help you out.
So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what you'd like to see in the comments box below.
Bye.